Hello there. Today we're going to be testing out a brand called Arzopa. It's a portable monitor company. They have a lot of different products, but today we're going to be taking a look at one specifically for gaming. It's 144 Hz 16.1 inch screen for right now on sale for $100. So let's get it open, see why it's only $100, and see if it's worth using, if it's worth your hard-earned money. Arzopa, baby. I'm just going to struggle to open this with my fingernails, I think. Okay, wait. I like the plastic. Makes me feel fancy. Oh, yeah. Very nice. It feels very light. All right. Okay, let's put that off to the side for a second. What have we got? A mini HDMI to regular HDMI. We have the user guide. We have an old USB to new USB, you know what I'm saying? And then we have Type-C to Type-C. So for today's purposes, we're going to be playing on the computer, but you can play on your phone. But today, we're going to be playing on the computer. I want to see what she's really got. Here she is, IPS panel, HDR, 1080p FHD, ultra lightweight, Type-C, ultra portable. It is pretty portable, I'd say, because it's very light. It's got two USB Type-Cs, one mini HDMI, and then some menu buttons. And then it says it has a built-in stand. Be the built-in stand. Okay, it's got two little rubber feet, one there and one right there, and then you got your little stand. It goes out pretty far. That's a really good viewing angle, actually. All right, so what can we learn about this thing? It's a 16.1 inch full HD 1920 by 1080p IPS with premium aluminum design, 13 millisecond response speed, 1.7 pounds weight, 0.3 inch thickness, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Supports PS5, Xbox, Switch, Steam Deck, PCs, phone, and more. Includes a built-in stand for both portrait and landscape. It's got two built-in 1-watt speakers, 16:9 aspect ratio, display color 16.7 million, color temperature 6800K, contrast ratio 1200 to 1, brightness 300, color gamut 100%, and that's all you need to know. All right, let's get it set up. Play a game and be out of your hair. Whoa, what the frick?
My time to test this out.
Does she have like aimbot? What's happening? I got aimbot.
You owe me one. Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours. Go, girl.
Nice.
Everybody needs a
I'll
hand
take it.
sometimes. Or a dagger.
How do I use it? How does this technology work? I mean, I got all the content. Oh, that's not that same guy. I was just kidding, man. You need to relax. It wasn't me. Okay, I'm coming back. I ain't scared. I'm a ghost.
My time to shine.
I pre-fired that guy. Big hacks fam. What's this? What's this? Why can't I get through this? This is literally like cheating. I'm down. I'll use this character every day, man. Hey, bro. Chill, man. I'm a ghost. Where'd he go?
My time to shine. I'll get you next time.
I feel better already.
I appreciate you.
Lights out.
My time to shine.
I can't get up that wall. Cringe.
You owe me one.
I fell.
Rise, my friend.
My time to shine.
It's not good. Not good, fam.
Disappear!
Why am I walking so slow?
Too many bad guys.
I don't know what this all does.
Control lost. Us against the world.
I'm concerned.
My time to shine.
I don't know what's happening anymore. Things are happening and I'm not dead yet somehow. There we go. I don't know what was going on there. That was... How'd they not kill me? Who's healing me?
Past the halfway point.
My friend is losing once more.
Get ready. Here come the bad guys.
Lights out.
Come on.
Control C. The area's almost yours.
Hey, buddy, how's it going? What the? Oh, that's valid. That's valid. I can't lie. We might be in trouble here, boys. Where's the heals?
Just embrace the light.
How are you not dead yet? Oh my god, where the f is my team? We're at 99%. Can we do something about this, fam? Don't go down there. Oh my god. Wait, are we winning? We're at 99%? Oh my god, are we gonna lose at 99%? Come on, dude.
This chance again.
Come on, bruv.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Oh boy. We're in overtime.
My time to
I can't sprint. I'm just walking there gracefully. Hopefully my teammates got it. Did we win? Out. Did we win?
Yeah.
Oh my god. There's more. I forgot. It's a 3-part series.
We better test this out. Disappear!
Where's my aimbot? There it is. Come on. Give me that sweet, sweet aimbot. This Venom's... Kill the Venom. Kill the Venom.
Everybody needs a
Ah,
break
nice.
sometimes.
Who's next, fam? Who's next, fam? Come in my sights, fam. Come get this aimbot. I can't miss, fam. It's too late on that heal. Ooh, big oof. They finally noticed me. Shit. I'm getting rezzed. Let's go. Big hype.
The mission area is yours. My time to shine.
Oh, I didn't get the heal fast in time, fam. Kill Star-Lord. Oh, he's getting healed. It's big GG. Oh, nice waste of my fucking ult! You know what my favorite thing in the whole fucking world is? Dying the second that I use my ult after waiting 6.5 minutes for it. And I'm walking in a wall. Typical. Hey, bro. Stop doing that. Stop. Stop that. Sir.
My time to shine. You owe me one.
Lights out.
Control seized.
Can I get my heal? Heal, heal, heal. 5 seconds. Sorry, bro. Can't help you, dog.
To shine.
Oops. Why'd I just waste that? Hey. Get out of here. Get out of here. I have aimbot. I'm not afraid to use it.
You owe me one. Woo! You go, girl.
Here we go, spotted bad guys. There they are.
This time I need healing.
I'm worried. Well, you see that bullet curve? That's crazy.
I appreciate you. You've captured more than
Okay.
half of the mission. Keep going. Hold still. I'm trying to help.
I feel better.
We better test this out. My other ear!
Hee heal up. God. Hey, bro. What's up, dog? How you feel about this? I can't miss. How does that make you feel? Does it make you upset? Uh-oh. Hopefully that gets one of you guys. It didn't. Sorry, bro. I'm here at the objective. I mean, they have to push now.
A boom of light.
Oh, I touch it. You owe me one.
Born again!
Oh my god, I should have switched already. Just keep walking towards them. They get scared. They get scared. It works every time. Run. Run, buddy. Hey, run away.
Lights out. Us against the
I'm literally using this to traverse the map. I don't even care. We go fam. No need for the third battle, fam. 2 out of 3. That's easy wins.
Another epic victory. Big win!
10 out of 10. And not just because I did good in the game. What was my score? 20 kills? I'll think, and no thumbs up for anybody. I'm toxic. All right, so what'd you think of the monitor? It's worth $100, I'd say, in my opinion. Cool things to be added. It'd be nice to have some VESA screws added to it eventually so that you can put it up on a, you know, like a swinging monitor arm or something like that. But overall, it felt great. I love it. I think it's very functional. Gets the job done for $100. Can't beat it. If you like the video, smash like, subscribe, check link in description for this beautiful, one-of-a-kind Arzopa portable monitor. Okay, see you later. Tech review playlist.